Have you ever wanted to make money in a matter of seconds? What if I told you that you could start making $5 right away with just the click of a button? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to do just that. This is an opportunity that's simple, accessible, and doesn't require any special skills or experience. You can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a computer or mobile phone and an internet connection. And don't worry, I've got you covered. We've done the research for you so you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Just take a few minutes to watch this video and I promise you'll be on your way to making money fast. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. To get started on today's feature money-making strategy, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to google.com and search for the keyword Twitch. As you can see, the very first thing that will pop up in the search results is this website, twitch.tv. Now, I want you to click on this one. It will take you to the Twitch website where you can watch a variety of live videos and streaming highlights for free. I bet some of you know what Twitch is. But if this is your first time, Twitch is the place to be when it comes to showcasing live-streamed content from creators and teams all over the world. Think of it as the holy grail of live videos. Twitch covers a wide range of niche topics such as IRL streaming, esports, music, and even live demos of creators making artwork and much more. But for this video, we'll focus primarily on the gaming niche since Twitch has been known for hosting live Let's Play content over the years. There are a lot of live videos to explore in this section, and there are a ton of video games that have been played by millions of creators worldwide. With this huge amount of content, you can actually take full advantage of it to make money online. On the top of the Twitch homepage, you'll see the Browse button. Click on it to explore different video categories on the website. There are many categories you can choose from, but let's focus on the most popular one, Valorant. This category has over 131,000 concurrent views and nearly 16 million followers. And it's the hottest video game right now. So there's much potential for you to make money from watching these live Let's Play videos. Scroll down to see even more videos. There's no shortage of content in this category. In fact, we can use any of these videos right now to make money out of them. But how exactly can you achieve this task? Well, there's this one website I found that lets you make money passively every few seconds with just a click of a single button. OK.io is a link shortening service that lets you get paid whenever someone clicks on the link you generated from here to your favorite videos and other forms of content. A good thing about this website is that it's absolutely free to sign up for. It's also 100% free to use the service. This means you can easily generate a lucrative passive income stream without any risk or investment. And best of all it really takes is a simple button to click on. If you're somehow worried that there may be a few complicated steps in between, don't worry, I will guide you every step of the way, and this process is actually incredibly straightforward. Right now, there is a growing community of over 687,000 individuals actively using OK.io and generating extra income daily. The website offers a diverse array of payment options including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and even bank transfer. To register for a free OK.io account, just click on the Sign Up button at the top of the page. Enter your username and email address, confirm the password, and click the I'm Not a Robot button. Once your account is ready, you will then be able to access your dashboard. Here you can view statistics such as the number of clicks and the potential earnings. As this is a new account, we haven't made any money yet because we haven't started shortening our links yet. But that's going to change right now. Before we move on to our next steps, let me remind you that there are more videos like this in our channel, The Money Hustle. So if you want to check out what else we offer in terms of how to make money online in the most creative and clever ways possible, you can always click on our name under this video. That is once you're done watching this one, of course. Want to see more new strategies from us? Just smash the subscribe button right here and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest content. Ready to go to the good stuff and make money right away? Let's get cracking! Now let me show you how it's done step by step. First, go back to twitch.tv and find at least 3 videos in the Valorant category. I'll pick these 3 videos here on this page and open them up in separate tabs or windows. Next, go back to the first video and find the share button. What you'll need to do at this point is copy the video's URL link and then head back to your account dashboard on ok.io. Paste the Twitch link using your mouse or keyboard into this box right here, smack dab in the middle of your screen and click shorten. The website will automatically make the link shorter and you can use this to share it and earn in the process. Repeat the same steps for videos number 2 and 3. Copy the new links right here, then paste all 3 of them into this done for you script that I'm sharing with you right now. Speaking of done for you scripts, you can actually check out the link to it that you can access and use at any time in the description box below. Now, you may choose not to use this and make your own version of that script instead if you like. But if you don't want to put in extra effort, that's totally fine. To make things even easier on your end, I have prepared a pre-written script that you can use right away to start earning money. You'll give a quick introduction about what Valorant is and what else to expect from this video game. Then say something like, for more epic Valorant Let's Play videos, check out the links below to watch now. And that's where you can paste all 3 of your shortened links to each of your Twitch videos. Every time someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid as much as anywhere between $1 and a whopping $5. It's that simple. Now here's a special bonus for you if you made it this far through this video. If you're looking to earn as much as $5 every few minutes or even seconds every day, well, let me tell you about a great online gaming community website called forums.pcgamer.com. This platform is an awesome resource for gamers with over 50,000 messages and nearly 2,000 threads on various gaming topics, including the biggest video games like Fortnite, Minecraft, The Sims, GTA, and for this video, Valorant. Just like ok.io, the PC Gamer Forum is free to use and accessible from anywhere in the world. Plus, there are tons of people discussing gaming topics and sharing tips and strategies. You'll really never run out of ideas on this website. Just sign up for a new account and start making posts about Valorant using the Done For You script I just shared with you with your own 3 shortened links. Copy and paste the entire script to your new post. Publish them in any of these communities such as the general gaming niche, and in just a few moments, you can sit back, relax, and watch your passive earnings grow day by day. And that was how to make as much as $5 every few seconds with just a touch of a button. You may never expect the power this button has unless you try it yourself. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest and best ways to make money online wherever and whenever. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.